So, hello everybody. Welcome back to my spring tours. We are in my sitting room. If you've visited me before, you know that this room is kind of situated in an odd space in my home. There's no windows, and there's only basically two walls. The one wall would be the stairway that you're looking at right here, and then the wall we're looking at right here, and then the opposing wall from this. So it's kind of a narrow room, but cozy nonetheless. So what we're looking at right now is just a shelf, a vintage shelf that I've repainted, and I stack my little baskets and little books. I just stuffed a little Hobby Lobby basket full of carrots there. I think that's the only spring touch. Oh, and a little nest. Just adorable. I don't change this cabinet up because I think it's pretty perfect the way it is. So here we're looking at the opposite side of the room and the other wall that I was speaking about. And I've just kind of kept things the same, added a few Easter touches. So as time goes by, I'm realizing that I do like primitive decor and I love country decor, but I'm leaning more towards a cottage aesthetic, more of a rustic cottage aesthetic rather than an English country. But I do really like my primitives, and so I like to filter them in among my decor. And what you're looking at here is just a little primitive feather tree that I found from a woman on Etsy. And she really did exactly what I asked her, which is great. So I'll link her Etsy shop in the description below in case anyone would like to purchase one of these. I think it's so adorable. So whether or not I'm cottage aesthetic or primitive aesthetic, I'll always love thrifted decor. And if you've been following my channel, you know that those two chairs that we're looking at right here were thrifted from Habitat for Humanity. A whole $27, I think, a piece they were. So I am treasuring these. I think I speak about them every time I show this room. I love them so much. So although it is early spring here in northern New Jersey, it's still quite chilly out. So yes, I have the flames on, a little bit of heat, and I have candles burning because I just enjoy creating that ambiance. One of my newer finds is that little table right there. I'm currently painting it. I think I like it, but I'm not quite sure. You'll see it in a future video. All the brass little bunnies that you see were once a different color, and I have just done rub and buff on all of my bunnies this year. I wanted everything gold, so I even have a Dollar Tree little mini bunny here on the mantle that was supposed to be painted. They give you like the little kit, but I painted that little mini one brass too. Oh, there it is right there from the Dollar Tree. Doesn't look it anymore though, because now she's brass. So for anyone who is new here visiting my channel, I'm so happy you're here. And just so you know that pretty much 99.9% of the things that you are looking at have been thrifted or bought secondhand or rescued from the trash, and I have repainted or redone. I really like to upcycle and reuse, not only because it saves the environment, but it also is very budget friendly. And I really like vintage items because it's unique, more unique than mass produced. But I do buy new items, as you will see in my videos, because I like to intersperse some new items, but pretty much 99% of my home is thrifted. So once again, I just want to thank you all for stopping by, commenting, liking, subscribing. I totally appreciate it, and I will see you again real soon.